Hello dear traders and partners of AMarkets. My name is Daria, I'm the financial advisor, and today we're going to discuss the situation in the global financial markets. So let's get started. The euro strengthened as European Central Bank policymakers soothed fears of more aggressive rate tightening than expected, starting from a 50 basis point interest rate increase in July. ECB chief Christine Lagarde gained key allies for her tightening plan on Wednesday, but Klaas Knot, one of the most conservative governing council members, argued right away that the central bank should not yet rule out a 50 basis point interest rate increase in July. Lagarde has advocated a gradual approach to monetary tightening, while asserting the ECB is free to react to the effects on the economy and the inflation outlook as rates rise. The bloc's policymakers also teased rate hikes of late and cut the monetary policy divergence between the US Federal Reserve and the ECB, which bolstered the Euro-USD prices. Next, GBP-USD. And sterling held near its highest levels in 3 weeks on Thursday, with traders awaiting more details on the British government's response to a cost-of-living crisis. Sterling has been hit hard in recent weeks by growing fears that Britain's economy is heading towards recession, and analysts' projections that any signs of government support could help lift sentiment toward the currency, which has rebounded this week. UK's Chancellor Rishi Sunak announced multiple measures to tame the cost of living. The government's temporary levy on energy profits and targeted support to the most vulnerable households in the UK are some of the measures that favoured the cable bulls the previous day. It's worth noting that the recently hawkish Bank of England and comparatively less appreciation for the Fed's 50 base rate hike plans also underpin the GBP-USD pair's latest advances. Last XAU-USD and the gold price paired some early losses overnight as investors continued to move out of the US dollar, making it cheaper to buy the safe haven precious metal. At $1,853, XAU-USD is a touch higher in Asia, chalking up 0.18% of gains at the time of writing as it moves in for a fresh high on the day at $1,854.27 so far. The prospects of an economic slowdown driven by lockdowns in China and the Russia-Ukraine war have boosted safe haven buying, analysts at ANZ Bank explained. However, this is being offset by concerns of an aggressive rate hike cycle by the US Federal Reserve. Ultimately, what inflation does over the next couple of months will have a big part to play in gold's performance. From a more bearish perspective, analysts at TD Securities argued that trend followers have completed their buying program and still remain long, which argues for additional downside on the horizon as momentum persists to the downside, with the macro narrative shaping investment demand for gold. So for now, these are the main trading ideas for the upcoming trading session. Thank you for your attention, subscribe to our channel, and we will do our best for you to reach success trading with AMarkets.